Hi there, it's Grant here, and I'm really excited to bring this lesson to you today because what I'm going to do is I'm going to reveal my two favorite traffic sources I use as an affiliate marketer. And I've used both of these traffic sources to grow highly profitable affiliate marketing business. So if you're excited for today's video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and why not share this video with your friends if they think they'll find it interesting. Also, before I get into the video, I just want to let you know about Six-Figure Side Hustles. This is a free docu-series that reveals the secret to creating a six-figure income in your spare time. So whether you want to launch an affiliate marketing business, grow your e-com channel, become a coach or consultant, or anything else, honestly, sign up for Six-Figure Side Hustles. It's completely free. And the first episode drops tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. EST. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link to this page down in the description, come to the page you see here, enter your name, enter your email, and you can register completely free. I've registered. I can't wait. And I think it's really going to help you grow your affiliate marketing business. Or if you want to start a different side hustle, this is going to be great. Also, just to let you know, there's 9 episodes, and each episode will be airing for 24 hours before the next one airs. So yeah, super excited about this. So if you want to register, come to the page, which I'll link to below, put your name and email, and you can register absolutely free. Okay, so let's get on with the video. So my two favorite traffic sources are organic YouTube and Google AdWords and Bing search ads. Both of these traffic sources have helped me to grow a 6-figure affiliate marketing business. Now, let me just sort of go into them. So with organic YouTube, honestly, when I mean organic YouTube, I mean start a YouTube channel and start posting video content. This is probably one of the biggest opportunities to grow an audience and to get traffic in 2023 and beyond, because before it was quite hard to drive traffic from YouTube because you needed a lot of subscribers, but that is not the case anymore, because you can, like I'll show you, you can basically start getting traffic in 24 hours to your video content and your affiliate products. And obviously with Google AdWords and Bing search ads, now if you don't know my I'm a professional media buyer. I've worked with all kind of clients. I've worked with ClickFunnels, which is an 8-figure business, and many other clients. I've spent over $4 million in advertising over the past 8 years. And I can absolutely tell you, I absolutely love Google AdWords and Bing search ads for promoting affiliate marketing products. This is how I start this, using Google AdWords and Bing. It's how I started my affiliate marketing business, and it helped me to scale to 6 figures very, very quickly. So I absolutely love Google AdWords. So what are the difference between the two? Obviously with organic YouTube, you can get traffic for free, but it's going to take a bit of time to get going. You can get traffic within 24, 48 hours, but realistically, to start getting traction, you're going to probably have to sort of allow 30 days and put in your time and effort. But obviously, all of the traffic and sales you get from YouTube are free. Obviously, with Google AdWords, you need a budget. You don't have to spend a lot. Quite a lot of the time when I launch a new campaign, I'll launch it on $10, $15 a day until I get sales, and then I can scale it out if it's profitable. But obviously with this, you can get sales within 24 to 48 hours. But obviously the trade-off is you need some kind of budget. You don't need a big budget. You can start running ads for $10, $15 a day, but the sales can come pretty quickly if you've got the right offer and your targeting is on point. So let me just run through the key points of how you can implement both. Obviously with organic YouTube, you start a YouTube channel. What you want to do is choose your affiliate product or products. This is what I do. I create simple little product review videos where I walk people through the product, and then what I do is I rank the videos for product or brand terms. So what I mean by that is, say for example, I am promoting ClickFunnels, which is one of the leading funnel building software tools. So basically what I do is I review ClickFunnels software and how to use it, then I'd rank the videos for either the term ClickFunnels or related terms. So I can rank them on page 1 so I can get really targeted traffic. And why would I rank them for product or brand terms? Well, if people typing in the product name or, sort of like ClickFunnels review, people have seriously considered buying, and maybe they just need, a little bit, of content or tutorial before they buy. Honestly, if you're an affiliate marketer, you want to be, promoting your products to product or brand's terms. It's pretty much like printing money. And then obviously once you've ranked your videos for the product and brand terms, you can then scale out to larger audiences using broader keywords. So you can start making more generic content in that niche as you become more sort of knowledgeable and confident. And obviously with that, you get more traffic and so on and so forth. And then you can scale out and get even more traffic, leads and sales. So this is basically a quick start guide of what I do for YouTube. So let me just go over Google AdWords and Bing search ads. So basically, if I lost absolutely everything, I would use Google AdWords and Bing search ads to basically promote affiliate products. So basically, all I do is I create simple Google Ads campaigns and Bing Ads campaigns. I again target brand or buyer intent keywords. I optimize a campaign for sales. So basically, Google can go and find the people who are most likely to buy, and then I'll roll out identical campaigns on Bing Ads once I see success on Google. This is so powerful if you know what you're doing. Now, the only sort of drawback of targeting affiliate products to obviously the product name using brand keywords is that not every affiliate publisher will allow you to target brand terms. If that's the case, what you want to do is target buyer intent keywords. So I'm going to give you an example. So say on ClickBank at the moment, Alpilean is probably the highest converting or the most popular offer to promote. So obviously, if I wanted to promote Alpilean and target their brand terms, I'd target, Alpilean related terms. But the problem is they don't allow you to, target brand terms. A lot of companies won't. Some do, some don't. But what we can do instead is target buyer intent keyword. So a buyer intent keyword, for Alpilean would be, the best weight loss pills or the best weight loss pills for women. Because if someone's typing in the best weight loss pills, there's intent behind it. They probably want to figure out what the best weight loss pill is, and then they buy it. So you could put your affiliate offers in front of those terms. So hopefully that makes sense. So in a nutshell, these are my these are basically what I use to run my affiliate marketing business. Nothing more complex than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works. So One Ticker Trader is one of the products that I actively promote. And these are all of my videos for this product. So this is what this looks like. So basically, as you can see here, these are all of my videos. This is my channel on the investment of a decade. You can type this in yourself and see all my videos. And these are all of my product review videos for this product. And these videos bring me in traffic and sales every day. Sorry, I've clicked the wrong one here. So yeah, this is page 1 of Google. And yeah, all of these videos, when you do this right, you can basically get a carousel where Google basically puts your videos on page 1 as you see here. And the key to making this work is obviously you want to rank your videos for the product term, in this case, One Ticker Trader. You want the keyword in the title, which is very important. You want a great thumbnail, and you want to put the keyword in the description and in the tag section for YouTube. And then what you want to do is create multiple videos around that keyword, and eventually Google and YouTube will see you as an authority. Then they'll start ranking your videos. Depending on the competition, it might only take a few videos, might take 10, maybe more. But eventually, if you work hard and create videos around the product term, you will start ranking on Google and YouTube. Don't forget YouTube. YouTube in many ways more effective than Google. And then you will start getting red hot buyer traffic to your offers. Now, what I'm going to do is show you inside one of my Google Ads campaigns, show you this in action. So this campaign you see here is for a product called the Distortion Report. And what I'm doing in this campaign, this is a Google Ads search campaign, is I'm bidding on all of these keywords. And I just want to sort of show you. So basically these are all the clicks I've got, but I want to draw your attention to the conversions. So this is how powerful this is. So I've got 25 sales, and this isn't 100% accurate. Usually I get a lot more than this, but bearing in mind for each sale I get, which is one conversion, I'm getting $150, but I'm getting a conversion for £21 because I'm paying in pounds. So basically I'm just basically 7 or 8xing my money with this campaign. This is how powerful Google search ads can be, especially for brand terms, but also buyer intent terms. This is money. If I've got an affiliate product and I'm getting $150 or so per sale, but I'm generating sales for 21, to even $5 each. I'm running this campaign all day long, and the beautiful thing about it is once you get to this stage, you can spend as much as you want because you're making so much money back that you're going to make a ton of profit. And this is basically the exact strategy of how I launch my affiliate marketing business. Nothing more complicated than this. This is how I did it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the ad. Sorry if my computer's a bit slow. So this is the ad. Basically, I'm just promoting, the product. I'm just going to click on this and hopefully it loads. So basically, when you promote affiliate products, you can't promote the links because usually they're weird. So you have to create a bridge page, but you just use simple piece of software like ClickFunnels or whatever. So this is bridge page I created. So you just basically summarizing the product, make it interesting. You make it interesting, put the product graphic there. And then basically they click on this link, then it goes to the affiliate page where people can pay. That is all I pretty much do to run my affiliate marketing business. Nothing more complicated than that. This is so powerful. I can't emphasize how powerful these two traffic sources are because they kind of work together to generate sales. And if you use these two traffic strategies, I'm not promising you'll make a 6-figure business, but you can earn an easy $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 a day once you get it dialed in. I absolutely love it. And I think in many ways, whilst, running Google search ads is great, I think in many ways YouTube is an even bigger opportunity because basically people go to YouTube to learn or be entertained. So, a lot of people go to YouTube to basically look for product review videos. So basically that's what I've got for you today. I'll just sort of finish by saying if you want to register to watch the 6-figure side hustles, docuseries, it's launching tomorrow. I'll link to the page down below. Just come to the page down below, put your name and email in, and you can register completely free. This is going to be awesome, and I think it's going to help you in your affiliate marketing business. Anyway, hope you liked this video. If you liked it, why not like, why not subscribe to the channel? Also, is there anything else you'd like to learn about? Would you like to learn more about YouTube, or basically how do a more in-depth, tutorial about how I run Google search ads? If that's of interest, link below, and I'll try and do some videos. Or if you want to learn more, let me know below what you want, and I'll try and do the content for you or something else that you require. Anyway, that's what I've got for you today. Hope you liked the video, and I'll speak to you soon.